Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Study channel. In the last class, we discussed about relations and functions. We have already done so many problems in the exercise 1.1 chapter relation and function. So today we are going to start from question number 3. So let's try to start from question number 3. So question number 3 is check whether the relation are defined in the set to दिया से 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 as r equal a comma b such that b equal to a plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So let's try to solve this question. Question number 3, it is given here. Given set a equal to, suppose a is a given set. The given set a equal to, let the given set, okay, let the given set a equal to, the element of a are 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is a, and the relation r is also given here. R is given here a comma b such that the condition is what? Condition is b equal to a plus 1 equal condition. Okay, so আমি দেখুৱাব লাগিব it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. যেটো symmetric হয় না নহয় আমি চেক কৰিব লাগিব, transitive হয় না নহয় চেক কৰিম. তো এটো আমি চেক কেনেকৈ কৰিম? Very simple. If we write this in a roster form, then r equal to, we get r equal to what? If a equal to 1, then a to the equation আছে b equal to কিমান আছে ইয়াতে মই লিখি দেখুৱাইছো b equal to a plus 1. If we take the value of a, then we get the value of b. If a equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 equal to 2, then b equal to 2. So a is 1, b is 2. 1 comma 2 makes a relation, comma if a is 2, a is 2, okay, then b equal to what? B equal to 3, and a is 3, b equal to 4. Similarly, a is 4 and b equal to what? B equal to 5, and a is, suppose a is what? A is 5, then b is 6, okay, b is 6, but in the given set 6 is not here. In the given set 6 is also given here, so this is 6, okay. A is the 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, b equal to this. Then these are the relation, now we are going to check it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. For reflexivity, here it is clear 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 not belongs to R, so it is not reflexive. So here it is clear that here it is clear that 1 comma 1, that is a not belongs to R, okay, not belongs to R. Here it is clear that a not belongs to R, therefore R is not reflexive. আমি যদি এক্সাম্পল হিচাপে লওঁ তেনেকুৱা ল'ব পাৰোঁ যে ইয়াত 1 1 not belongs to R, 2 2 not belongs to R, 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 not belongs to R, so it is not reflexive. Number 2, for reflexive symmetric, let a comma b, suppose a comma b, okay, belongs to R. A comma b belongs to R, that means b equal to what? B equal to a plus 1, okay, b equal to a plus 1. So আমি এনেকুৱা কেতিয়াও নাপাওঁ যে a equal to b plus 1, এনেকুৱা পালেহে আমাৰ কি হ'ব? ৰিলেশ্যনটো ফৰ্ম কৰিব, কিন্তু আমি এনেকুৱা এলিমেণ্ট কেতিয়াও নাপাওঁ. Let a comma b belongs to R, then we can write b equal to a plus 1, but a not equal to b plus 1, therefore that implies that a b comma a not belongs to R. The b comma a to got নাই r ত নাই, অর্থাৎ 1 comma 2 belongs to R. For example, যদি লও for example আমি ইয়াতে লৈছো for example 1,2 belongs to R 1,2 কত আছে R ত আছে but 2,1 not belongs to R 2,1 to R ত নাই therefore R is not symmetric also R is not symmetric R to কি নহয় symmetric ও নহয় তো এনেকৈ আমি কৰিব লাগিব Number 3 for transitivity here 1,2 belongs to R 1,2 R আছে and আমি আৰু এটা এলিমেন্ট লৈছো 2,3 and 2,3 belongs to R here 1,2 belongs to R and 2,3 also belongs to R but according to the definition of transitive but 1,3 to ko থাকিব লাগিব আৰু থাকিব but it is seen that 1,3 is not in the set of R so but 1,3 not belongs to R 1,3 to koi R ot nai therefore R is not transitive R is not transitive R to ki noy transitive ho transitive noy to ekhini asil amar answer okay now we are going to solve question number 5 so question number 5 is what is question number 5 the check whether the relation R in R defined by relation R equal to a comma b such that a is less than equal to b cube is reflexive symmetric or transitive so first amar jitu relation ase given relation R equal to a comma b such that a is less than equal to b cube etu ase a is less than equal to b cube যে প্রথমতে এটু চেক কৰিব লাগে it is reflexive symmetric or transitive যে it is একদম এটু যেহেতু R to be a real number so it is observed that that 1/2 comma 1/2 belongs to R আমি যদি 1/2 comma 1/2 belongs to R লও যেনিবা a belongs to R যে it is observed that 1/2 belongs to R so condition is what according to the condition half less than equal to 1/2 whole cube so 1/2 kiman 1/2 whole cube means 1/8 which is not satisfied the condition yet half to 1/8 et koi ki noy less noy so yet ki buja gol this is not less than equal to therefore R is not reflexive R to ki noy reflexive noy tenekoi ঠিক তেনেকৈ আমি যদি এতিয়া সিমেট্ৰিক কৰো তেতিয়া হলে আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা দুটা এলিমেন্ট লও যে যেনিবা let 1,2 belongs to R 1,2 belongs to R according to the condition 1 is less than equal to 2 cube obviously but 2,1 not belongs to R here 2,1 not belongs to R কারণ আমি যদি ইয়াক উল্টাকে লিখো তেতিয়া এটো কেতিয়াও পসিবল নহয় কি পসিবল নহয় যে ইয়াত হ'ব 2 less than equal to কিমান হ'ব লাগিব 1 কিউব দুইটো কেতিয়াও একতকৈ সৰু হ'ব নোৱাৰে তো this not satisfied the condition therefore R is not symmetric R to কি নহয় symmetric ও নহয় ওকে এতিয়া আমি চেক কৰিম transitive for transitive let আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা যিকোনো এলিমেন্ট ললে হল let 3,3/2 belongs to R আমি ইয়াত লৈছো R ৰ পৰা 3,3/2 belongs to R কাৰণ এবিলাক কি আমাৰ R to এয়াৰ সেট টু কি আছে ৰিয়েল নাম্বাৰৰ সেট আছে তো 3,3/2 belongs to R and আমি আৰু ইয়াৰ পৰা লৈছো 3/2, 6/5 suppose 6/5 belongs to R যেহেতু আমার দুটা এলিমেন্ট লব লাগে তো আমি দুটা এলিমেন্টই লৈছো যে 3,3/2 belongs to R and 3/2, 6/5 belongs to R আমি ধৰি লৈছো এতিয়ালে according to the condition মতে কি হ'ব লাগে আমাৰ ইয়াত যে condition মতে a is less than equal to b cube এতিয়া হ'বনে নাই চাই লও আমি 3 less than equal to যদি 3/2 হোল কিউব কৰা হয় তেতিয়া ইয়াৰ ভ্যালু হ'ব 26/8 that sorry not 26 27/8 27/8 যদি হয় if we dividing this then 3 must be less than or equal okay so condition satisfy কৰি আছে ইয়াত আৰু ইয়াতো condition to satisfy কৰে না নাই আমি চাম যে 3/2 যদি হয় 3/2 less than equal to কি কৈছে 6/5 তেতিয়া হলে ইয়াত হ'ব লাগিব 6 কি মানে 216 125 obviously কি হ'ব this is less than equal to this তেতিয়া হলে condition কি হৈ আছে আমাৰ satisfied হৈ আছে তেতিয়া হলে আমি ইয়াক যদি এনেকৈ লিখো and this is can be written as আমি এনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰিম 3/2 less than equal to 6/5 whole cube okay এইটো এতিয়া হলে আমাৰ condition মতে কি হ'ব লাগে এতিয়া condition to হ'ব লাগে that implies that হ'ব লাগে 3 less than equal to 6/5 whole cube এইটো হ'ব লাগে কিন্তু এটো নহয় কিয় নহয় এটো সোয়া ইয়া যদি আমি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰো তেতিয়া কিমান হ'ব এটো this is equal to 216 divided by over 125 if we dividing this then we get 2 point something okay not 2 point 150 250 is over 1 point something so this condition is not satisfied not less than equal to this that means what that means 3,6/5 not belongs to R therefore R is not transitive R is not transitive এতিয়া আমি কি পালো R is not symmetric R is not transitive and R is not reflexive তিনটাৰ পৰা এটাও নহয় তো এইটোই হল আমাৰ কি আনসার ওকে question number 6 so question number 6 what is given here show that the relation R in the set this given set is let given set A equal to the elements of A are 1 2 3 okay 1 2 and 3 given by relation R is also given here R equal to it is given here R is 1 2 2 1 2 and 2 1 this is the given relation is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive it is very simple question that here relation A is defined this is so it is seen that যেহেতু set term আছে 1 2 3 so it is not symmetric because sorry it is not it is means R is not reflexive R2 reflexive no hobo why R is not reflexive because to whole KMR ইয়াত যেহেতু 1 2 3 সেটত আছে because ইয়াত 1 1 2 2 3 3 থাকিব লাগিব so because 1 1 2 2 3 3 not belongs to R তো সেইকাৰণে R2 কি নহয় reflexive নহয় দুই নম্বৰ R is symmetric why R is symmetric R2 symmetric why R is symmetric because কাৰণটো দিদিছো মই ইয়াত because 1 2 belongs to R 1 2 belongs to R আছে that implies that ইয়াত 2 1 আছে so that implies that 2 1 belongs to R so R is symmetric number 3 R is not transitive R2 কি নহয় transitive নহয় transitive because কাৰণটো কি হ'ব R2 transitive নহয় because 1 2 belongs to কি আছে R আছে and 2 1 belongs to R আছে but 1 1 not belongs to R very simple R is not transitive because 1 2 belongs to R and 2 1 belongs to R sorry not belongs to R but এতিয়া according to the definition of transitive or definition মতে 1 1 belongs to R হ'ব লাগিছিল যদিও এই রিলেশনটোত কি নাই 1 1 নাই but 1 1 not belongs to R আরত নাই and that is why it is not transitive R is not transitive because 1 2 and 2 1 belongs to R but 1 1 not belongs to R so R is not transitive so এইখিনি answer okay Now we are going to solve question number 7. So question number 7 to ki prothomote pori loisu, so that the relation R in the set A of all the books in a library of a college given by the relation R equal to x comma y such that x and y have the same number of pages is an equivalence relation. So first of all, here it is given the set to yes yet what is it? This given set is what? A is a set of all the books, in the library in a college. They say A equal to set of all the books, okay, all the books in the library, the set of all the books in the library of a college, যে এটা কলেজত থকা গোটেইখিনিৰ কিতাপৰ এটা সংহতীয় হৈছে কি A, and R relation R is also given here x comma y such that the x y such that x y কি বুজাইছে ইয়াত কৈ দিছে x and y have the same number of pages. X and y have the same number of pages. The x and y are the same number of pages. So now we are going to show that it is an equivalence relation. So first of all, we are going to show it is reflexive. So for reflexivity, let it is obviously reflexive because it will obviously hover reflex for reflexivity. The reflexivity karone ami ene koi likhim let x comma x belongs to R. Ami duta element loisu x which is belongs to R. So according to condition, x and x have the same number of pages. It is obviously যেহেতু কিতাপ দুটা same, x and x have the same number of pages. X আৰু x ৰ কি থাকিব same number of pages থাকিব. So it is obviously reflexive. Okay, therefore R is reflexive. Sorry, this is reflexive. R is reflexive. Number B is what? Symmetry. For symmetry, let x comma y belongs to R. আমি লৈছো দুটা এলিমেন্ট লৈছো x y from R. So according to condition, the condition is what? X and y have the same number of pages. This, if x and y belongs to R, then x and y have the same number of pages. তেতিয়াহ'লে x আৰু y ৰ কি থাকিব same number of pages থাকিব. যদি x আৰু y ৰ same number of pages থাকে তেতিয়াহ'লে ইয়াৰ যিটো আমি উল্টাটো মানে y আৰু x ৰ কি থাকিব same number of pages থাকিব. ইয়াত কোনো ডাউট থাকিব নালাগে, কাৰণ x আৰু y ৰ যদি same number of pages মানে x আৰু y ৰ একেই আছে পেজ নাম্বাৰ, তেতিয়াহ'লে y আৰু x ৰ একেই থাকিব ন. তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি লিখিব পাৰিম y and x have the same number of pages. যদি y x ৰ same number of pages হয়, then we can write y comma x belongs to R. তেতিয়াহ'লে y comma x টো ক'ত আছে? Rত আছে. আৰু for the definition of symmetry, if x comma y belongs to R, that implies that y x belongs to R, then it is symmetric. Therefore we can write R is symmetric. Okay, R is symmetric. Now we are going to show R is transitive. For transitive, the transitive or karone ami ki koribo lagibo, yar pora tinita element lobo lagibo. Let x comma y belongs to R. Ami loisu ki x y belongs to R, and aru yar pora duta element loisu y z also belongs to R. যে xy belongs to r লৈছো and yz belongs to কি লৈছো r লৈছো, then that implies according to definition or according to given in the question that if xy belongs to r then x and y have same number of pages, then we can write x and y have same numbers of pages. তেতিয়াহ'লে x y কি থাকিব same number of pages থাকিব. Similarly ইয়াক যদি আমি ভাঙি দিওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে ইয়াত কি হ'ব y and z have the same numbers of pages. তেতিয়াহ'লে কি y z আৰু কি থাকিব same number of pages থাকিব. তেতিয়াহ'লে from this and this ইয়াত কৈছে x y ৰ সমান সংখ্যক পেজ থাকিব আৰু ইয়াত কৈছে y z ৰ কি থাকিব সমান সংখ্যক পেজ থাকিব. তেতিয়াহ'লে কি হ'ল এতিয়া আলটিমেটলি আমি এই দুটাৰ পৰা কি ক'ব পাৰিম ultimately this and this we can say that the x and z have same number of pages. That implies that the x and z have same numbers of pages. যদি x আৰু z ৰো same number of pages থাকে তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি this can be written as x, z belongs to r. x r x to ক'ত থাকিব r ত থাকিব. তেতিয়াহ'লে according to definition of transitivity definition to আছিল if x y belongs to r and y z belongs to r, that then implies that x z also belongs to r. According to definition we get x z belongs to r, therefore r is transitive. r is transitive. The transitive হৈ গ'ল. এতিয়া আমি কি পাইছো r is symmetric, r is reflexive and r is transitive. If a relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then this is an equivalence relation. Therefore, since r is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, যদি এই তিনিটা যদি কোনো একটা রিলেশন এই তিনটা কন্ডিশন স্যাটিসফাই করে r is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then it is an equivalence relation. Therefore, this is full stop. Therefore, r is an equivalence. Therefore, r is an equivalence relation. This is v. Okay, equivalence relation. Thank you.